Listen here, girl, this one's straight from my heart. So I was driving down the road. I saw this billboard, had a guy on it. I don't know who the hell he was. He must have been like a news guy or something. I don't know. He's making a face like you know who he is, but I don't. But anyways, the whole reason I was saying that was to say this. Oh shit, they're right behind us. Warning! 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 Well, it wasn't that bad. I told him, I was like, listen, you want to be a weatherman? Be a fucking weatherman. I don't care. You're never going to be right anyways. Like, you're a son of a bitch. You get up there and pretend like you know your stuff, and you might have went to school for 6 years. I don't know. But you're going to be wrong every single time. Listen here, girl, this one's straight from my heart. I was in the park the other day, and I was talking to this chick. She was staring into my eyes deeply, and I was looking past her. There was a dude picking his nose. He had the hugest booger coming out of his nose, connected to his finger. Ew. Shit, right behind us. Warning! 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 I slowly pulled out my phone, and I got that shit in line. She had no idea what was happening. I got that shit lined up perfect. That motherfucker dug all the way up in there. After he had pulled it out, he put it back in, and then swirled it around and pulled it back out. And he fucking ate the booger. I got it on video. Listen here, girl, this one's straight from my heart. So I was just sitting there the other day minding my business, looking all fly and shit. This little hottie rolled up. She was like, hey, baby, what's going on? You're looking good. And I was like, you're damn right. And then my eyes went to her tires. They were bald as fuck. Man, y'all gotta keep up your tires. That shit's important. Shit, they're right behind us. Warning! 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 Why don't people buy new tires? I understand the shit's expensive, but it seems like it's something that's important. Like, especially if you live far from work and you have to have a car, you know? Like, you gotta take care of that shit. You gotta make sure your rubber's soft and good, man. No dry ride. Listen here, girl, this one's straight from my heart. When you're working on a 1972 302, there's something you have to understand. Whenever you split open the manifold off of the block so that you can get to the heads, there's things that you have to do, things that you have to know about, torque specs and such. Oh shit, they're right behind us. Warning! 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 You over-tighten the bolt, see if you fucking get it right. God damn it. You try to get that bitch out of there if you snap the head off. It ain't my fucking project no more, you fuck it up on my clock. God damn it. You come over here thinking you know shit, and then you gonna go snap a bolt off of my shit, and then you gonna be like, well, I'll see you later, Earl. Fuck you, Claude. Fuck you back. Listen here, girl, this one's straight from my heart. You gotta be able to laugh at yourself. My shit is funny as fuck. I'm laughing at myself. Oh shit, they're right behind us. Warning! 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 Listen here, girl. This one's straight from my heart. I saw this chick with a huge ass at the beach. She kept looking at me. I think she saw my huge testicles. They're pretty big. You can see them from about a half a mile away, maybe. Florida oranges, at least. But they're sensitive. They're sensitive. Oh, shit, right behind us. Warning. 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 Sadly, it is not proportionate. Everything is not in proportion. I got about 2.5 foot of cock. It makes the balls look really, really small. And it looks stupid. Like whenever I have to shower in front of other people, I feel like a jackass. It's not cool.